Hello. So for my first leader, I chose my old manager from home. Her name is Carolyn Holloway. She is the general manager at Olive Garden in Monroe, North Carolina. I do believe she is successful because she basically built that restaurant from the ground up. She every day continues to make sure every customer is happy, and this Olive Garden that we worked at was very, very busy. She always made sure everyone was happy, everyone had a good dining experience, all while dealing with inventory, kitchen, um, ordering alcohol, while dealing with all of her staff and people calling out. So I would say, in my opinion, she's very successful. And the other person I would say is my mother. She is a business owner. She owns a mobile grooming company. Um, I would say she's very successful because she also built this company herself. She started out with a little trailer that she attached to the back of a pickup truck, and she's grown the company so much. She has created such amazing bonds with her clients, and they always want to come back. They always refer her. She actually is booked up months in advance because she is so successful. And then for leaders that I don't really know, the first leader, I would go with Donald Trump. I would say, yeah, he's the president of the United States. I would say he is successful in some ways, but in more ways he is unsuccessful. He has pretty much completely divided our country and turned the Republican Party into something it did not previously stand for. And then another leader is Steve Jobs, the owner and founder of Apple. I would say he is also very successful because he created a groundbreaking technology without even finishing college that millions and billions of people use worldwide, and his Apple company is the most popular company in the entire phone industry, and it continues to get bigger and larger every single day. So, thank you.